farm. Agmulmula da pa lang siguro. That's the farm, guys. Hindi lang December. Winter.
Gulay agi din.
Dahil kita tayo gulay na niya.
Madali na kong dita nga.
Awan tipag nandito. Hindi kita naman.
Sila kagulay. Sabsaban ko. Kada-aba-aba.
Dito awan nga tadalan.
Awan, sarado. Nakitak din nakatabar. Kaya nakitak sarado. Tam amin.
Oo.
Atas lanta kasi na na eh. Adayiro at alad ng sarado.
Ah, dito yung banana ni dadalan.
Uri nagdadalang sa sarado.
Ha? Di ka laman si Jibalay. Nagadubungan na. Di ka laman si Jibalay nga mulak. Wen, upat na yung ginatang ko. Manuti may sapuon, 150. Oo nga, naka-close nga. Di close, guys. Ha? Oh, there's a kalabasa. There's a pumpkin. There. There's a pumpkin. Payungan po. Ayan. Oh, there's yun ang nadatan unas niya English na sugar cane. Ayan, sugar cane. Ayan, this is the tree of sugar cane, guys. If someone don't know, people sometimes they don't know because they grow up in the city. And in the middle is ginger. Ayan, this is the ginger. Ginger tree, yan, this one. Tani, tinga. That's the ginger, the cover of the net, black net, with the black net. And then the next, the one has a stick is string beans. That's the string beans. And the next is the popcorn. That's the strawberry. That's the strawberry, guys. The one brown because it's died already. It's not season anymore. Oh, banana kita dati popcorn da kasala ni Tatay Pincho nagadumula na idi nga popcorn nga eh. Yan, I know that, guys, because my grandfather before is planting popcorn, planting squash, ginger, string beans. I have before, we have also unas, ano ba yan? Sugar cane, unas in my language. Ayan. Na? Oh, kasila rambutan niya. Kasila rambutan. Oh, yellow bell has a bunga. Fruit ba tawag dyan? Oh, it's my first time.
Don't touch.
Oh, wow. See, can you see that? This is a yellow bell. Plants. Oh, tata, first time I see that there is a fruits.
Kanak ko na makatudjuk.
Kaya nga tata lang ako di ba dami kila anti unde. Mostly this kind of plants is in the big house. In my place, ayan, they have so nice, right? Oh, there's a banana, there is ano pa yung mga patanim nila. Merong papaya.